So we have a bank beaver.
Bank beaver. Yeah, that's why I think we'd be able to put the canoe in here and go up that creek a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Because he's got enough water in here now. All right. Well, today what we're going to do, I made a heat shield up for here. So we're going to put the heat shield up today. That's the plan.
So if you put the heat shield up, you're not putting OSB behind it, or no?
No. We'll just put the heat shield up, and then I'm going to temporarily put it up because we're not going to, whatever we put behind it later on, I can unscrew it and put it back up again.
Okay.
But I want to be able to use the wood stove before we finish the ceiling. So we just replaced the furnace in our house, and this is the old furnace, one of the old furnace panels. So I cut it to fit, and that's going to be our, it's got reflective insulation here, and we're going to put some 3/4 inch boards on either side as cleats, and that's going to be our heat shield.
Oh, so you reused it.
Recycling again.
Cool. Do you think you should come to the left a little? It's not centered.
Yeah. Tell me you think it's centered.
It looks pretty centered now.
No?
Mm-hmm.
There.
Maybe a little more to the left. A little more. Yep. There you go.
Look like
Pretty straight. You could come. You're lined up with the right edge. You could come left a little if you wanted. There you go.
yeah, I'm just gonna mark it here. Right here. Cut it in half and put one on both sides.
Yeah, it'll stop the heat from ruining the insulation up there.
Well, and then once we get the boards on there, all the way across, then we can have the cleat will be better for, I can put a better cleat in there, we can attach it better, so.
Yeah, because this is temporary. What did you say the clearance was? 16 inches or something?
Yeah, well, it depends because it's a slope, right? It's
Right.
12 inches at the front and it's almost 20 inches at the back. I mean, it's like you have to be 16 inches away from anything flammable. Well, I mean, this stuff will melt. I don't think it'll start on fire, but it'll melt. So that's why I wanted to put the heat shield there.
Oh, it's melting.
It burns.
Mm-hmm. So just as well you put that heat shield up.
Yeah. Well, it's plastic, it'll burn. Right?
Well, yeah.
It's just a spark guard for the front of the stove.
What did you make that out of?
That was made out of furnace materials.
More furnace materials. Oh, look, there's still insulation on the back. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see, for the floor. Nice. So you're just going to screw that straight down? Or
Yeah, we'll just screw it down to the ground. I don't want to do it right now because I'd like to sand this floor down and put one more coat of gray on.
Okay. But that's nice. And it'll also help with cleanup, too.
Well, when you open the door, sparks come out, right?
Right.
And char the floor.
Right.
Well, I know what I gotta do. I gotta drill that other hole. There's the anchor right there.
Mm. Oh, yeah, your bits are in the back there.
Yeah, and I brought my anchor drill today.
Oh, you killed it. What is that thing?
Hammer drill.
Oh. I don't think I've ever seen you use that.
I just bought it not too long ago.
Oh, okay.
Gotta do some concrete work at home.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when I put power over to the shop,
Mm-hmm.
I've got to drill a good hole through the concrete, so I bought one.
All done? Good. I'll shut the generator off.